Hey everybody, in today's video I'm going to be unboxing my latest Amazon purchase. This is the wireless Bluetooth keyboard. Seller of this is UCLP Tech. I will try and link it to the appropriate item. I like doing these videos in case there's somebody else out there thinking about buying the same item. They want to get an idea of what does it look like when it comes in, what's quality like, etc. The model number is PC390A. If you've watched my videos in the past, I've actually bought a couple different keyboards, and my biggest issue with them is I try and use them at the office and the keys are too loud. They're really more designed for like gamers, I guess. So this one hopefully will be a quiet keyboard. All right, that's enough of the box. I'm going to open it up, and then once I get it connected to my computer, I'll show you what it looks like when it's typing. So the USB dongle fell out of the box. Kind of thought that would maybe mount on the back of the keyboard. Maybe it does, we'll find out. Again, it's Bluetooth, so I'm not planning on using the USB anyway. A Type-C USB cable if you're looking to plug it in. And then I'm assuming that would be needed for charging as well. Like a little instruction manual. And then the keyboard itself. Yeah, this ought to be a whole lot quieter. Nice and flat. So I mentioned before, the gaming keyboards have the keys that stick up. Keys on this, oh, this will be perfect. Assuming I can connect it and everything. There's an on-off switch up top, the Type-C import, or port for you to be able to plug in your Type-C cable. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take it up and I'm going to try and hook it up to my computer, and we'll see how that process works. Okay, so it literally took me about 30 seconds to get this hooked up to my laptop here. All I basically did is you've got an on-off switch up here at the top. I turned it on, I pressed the Bluetooth 1 button, looked for the Bluetooth device on my computer, it found it right away, and I got connected. You've also got a Bluetooth 2 option as well. And then honestly, that's pretty much all you have to do. I'm gonna show you real quick, hopefully you can see my computer. This is exactly what I wanted. It's nice, it's flat, and more than anything, when I type, it's small. So I'm gonna do a typing example just so you can hear it. You'll notice it's responsive. As soon as I press the keys, it shows it on my computer. And there's no noise at all. The one negative I will say about the keyboard is I wish they would have given you a spot on the back to store your dongle. Unfortunately, they did not. And so for me, I'm not planning on using the dongle, but I'd like to be able to keep it somewhere just in case I need it. And that's the only complaint I've got. I did want to also mention that there is a light option on this keyboard. I'm going to turn off my backlight so you can see it. You've got a button right here on the bottom. If you press it, it'll turn on the light, and then you have a couple of different options. So there's a low setting, there's a medium setting, there's a high setting, and then press it again, it'll turn off the light. Really nice keyboard, a lot of different options, especially if you're looking for one that's sleek and nice and quiet. I hope the video helps.